Good morning everyone. My today's topic is cardiovascular system, in which we see the cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart and vascular means blood vessels which carries the blood, delivers oxygen, nutrients to the tissues, removes waste, carbon dioxide, cellular respiration byproduct from the organ and tissue. And now we see the morphology of heart. Size is about one fist of human, and shape is blunt cone shape. Position slightly shifted towards the left, and location lies in thoracic cavity. Now it sits on top of diaphragm, behind the sternum, in front of vertebral column, between lungs, and enclosed in ribs and protected by ribs. Right and left side separated by the muscular septum. Heart wall layers includes three layers: epicardium, myocardium, and mesocardium. Epicardium covers the surface of heart, blood vessels, and myocardium is a muscular middle layer. Cardiac muscle cells are striated branching which having many mitochondria interact from the synchronous contraction. Cardiac myocytes are striated branching cells are made up of fibrous cardiac tissue. And then now we see the valves. First is atrioventricular valve which separate the atria from the ventricle. Then tricuspid valve. It includes tricuspid valve. It having three cups which prevent the blood flow back into the right atrium. And then bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve is also called as mitral valve. It having two cusps, anterior and posterior. Both have chondria and tentamina to move the muscles, prevent the blood backflow into the left atrium. Then next is semilunar valve, located in pulmonary valve and aortic valve. Pulmonary valve is 3 half moon shape and prevent the blood flow into the right atrium. Right ventricle. Aortic valve having 3 cusps and prevent the backflow into the left ventricle. Blood flow. Now we see the blood flow physiology. Deoxygenated blood enter into the right side of heart via superior and inferior vena cava. Then coronary sinus carry the blood from coronary vessels, and then it pass to the right atrium. Then it goes into the tricuspid valve and then into the right ventricle. After it reaches to the pulmonary valve, then pulmonary arteries, then pulmonary arterioles, then into the pulmonary capillaries, and then alveoli. Blood collect oxygen from alveoli and removes carbon dioxide. Oxygenated blood travel through the pulmonary veins, then left atrium bicuspid valve, then left ventricle, aortic valve, aorta, and organ, and to the tissue. Deoxygenated blood and then deoxygenated blood return to the heart. Now we see the systemic versus pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation includes the low pressure system. Right side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary circulation as it collects the oxygen from the right atrium to the right ventricle, then left atrium to the left ventricle, and into the lungs. Systemic circulation is a high pressure system. Left side of heart pumps oxygenated blood to the systemic circulation. It goes from pulmonary veins, then into the left atrium, then into left ventricle, then into aorta, and it reaches to the body through the blood vessels. Left ventricle have three times. Left ventricle is 3 times thicker than right ventricle. And all over. Thank you.